Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to count number of maximum bitwise OR subsets, which is problem number 2044 and which is a medium level problem in LeetCode. So we'll be given an integer array. You have to find maximum bitwise OR from this array, and then you have to make subset. You have to make subset from this array, and where the bitwise OR is equal to our maximum OR. So if I copy this input, so first of all, what we have to find, okay, this problem. To solve this problem, you required two skills. One is bit manipulation, and another one is backtracking. So here, initially, all we have to find the maximum bitwise OR. So what will be the maximum bitwise OR? So for initially, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1 is 0, 1. The binary number of 2 is 1, 0. 3 is 1, 1. 4 is 100. 1, 0, 0 actually. 5 is 1, 0, 1. Okay. So now what will be the bitwise OR between 3 and 2? So 3 is 1, 1, right? So 1, 1. And okay, so if I say about bitwise OR, so bitwise OR is if 1 or 0 is equal to 1, 0 or 1 is equal to 1, 1 or 1 is equal to 1, and 0 or 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 3 is 1, 1, 2 is 1, 0, right? So 1, 0. So answer will be 1 or 0 is equal to 1, 1, 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so we got this one. Then I'll get 1 here. 1 is 0, 1. So I'll get 0, 1 here. Okay. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It will be 1, right? 1, 0, it will be 1. Okay. Then again, I'll take the 5. 5 is 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 1. So what is the decimal number of 1, 1, 1? It's 7, right? So 6 will be 1, 1, 0, and 7 will be 1, 1, 1, right? So the binary number of the 1, 1, 1 is 7. So we got our maximum OR from this array, right? Now we have to generate subarrays which is equal to 7, right? So here, if we take 3 and 2, so 3 and 2 was like this. You can get it here. Okay, 3 and 2. So 3, 1, 1, and 2 was 1, 0, right? So the answer was 1, 1. So it was 3 again, right? So 3 and 2. Not that. Okay. So if we take 3 and 2, and the answer will be 1, 1, which is equal to 3, which is not equal to 7, right? So we don't, then we will try 3 and 1. So 3 and 1 will not be answer. 3 and 5 if we try. So 3 is equal to 1, 5 is equal to 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is equal to 7. So our answer will be 3 and 5, right? But we have to return here count, right? So we will say count will be 1, then again plus. Again, I'll try 3 to 1. Okay, so 3 to 1, 3 and 2 is 3, and 1 is 3. No, it's not right. So 3 to 1 will not work. Then I'll try 3 to 5. Okay, so I'll try 3 to 5. I'll try. Okay, so 3 and 2 is 3. and 3 and 5 is 7. We already know, right? So it will work 1 plus 1. Then again, I'll try 3, 1, 5. Okay, so 3, 1, 5 will be 3 and 1 will be 3 and 3 and 5 will be 7, right? So we can take 3, 1, 5 also. So 3 times. Then again, we'll try 2, 1, 5. So 2 and 1 will be maybe 3. What is 2? 2 means 1, 0. 1 means 0, 1. Yeah, 3. And 3 and 5 will be 7. So we can take 2, 1, 5 as well. Right? 2, 1, 5 as well. Right. So 4 we got. Again, we can take 3 and 5. Okay, we already took 3 and 5. Then we'll try it 1, 5. Then 1, 5 will be 0, 1. And 5 will be 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. No, it's 5, not 7. Okay. Then we'll try 2, 5. 2, 5 will be 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1. 2, 5 is equal to 7. So we can take 2, 5. So we got 5. Total we have 6. Right. Then we took 2, 1, 5. Yeah, the last one. The last one will be 3, 2, 1, 5. This one is also Savere. Right. So 3, 2, 1, 5. And we got total 6 count. Then total count is 6. I hope you got it. So initially what we have to find, we have to find the bitwise or the maximum or from here. So how you can find maximum or? So I can say just max or equal to 0. Then I can say for entry or const. Is it const? Yeah, I'm not changing the value of number, right? So const nums and then my max or equal to all nums, right? So we got the max or first. Then what we'll do, in that case, what I'm gonna do, I'll take this one and I'll check with every single value, right? I'll take this index, I'll check with every single value. So I'll do recursion here, right? So for doing the recursion, what I'll do, I'll say int count, count is equal to 0. I'll return the count, and then I can say find count. Find count, I'll be saying now count, then count, then max out. Then I'll send my current index, which is equal to 0, and current or which is equal to 0. Okay. And then I'll go top. I'll write, I'll say it's void, right? Find count for int nums, then count, entry count, then max or then current or and index. Okay, so a bit here. Then what I'll say here, if my current or is equal to my max or, then just count plus. Then I'll say for int I equal to my index I less than size, then I plus. What I'll do, I'll do find count. My nums will be same. Count after count. Yeah, count. Then max will be same. My current or will be current or and or operator. My nums of I. That's it. And this time I'll do I plus 1. Right. I'll be going to the next index, right? Okay, I'm not updating the value of count here. I have to put the end operator. Okay, now, and if I submit my code, lovely. Thank you so much, guys.